another unboxing today of the Speedy B35. So I kind of went crazy buying things since I knew there was going to be a price increase, which happened on October 1st. So I bought these before the price hike, and I'm glad since the products I bought, all of them went up except the wallet. So here we go. Okay, so we got this book again, but this also came with the Neverfull, so maybe I'll give this to my mother or someone. Then the receipt. I got this through client services calling on the phone, since online I never could find it available. So just receipt and exchange information. Okay, so the little note here. I noticed that the bow is kind of messed up and the box is cracked, so hopefully the bag is okay. This is the note. Okay. Wow, it must be very compact in here. Okay, so again, this is the Speedy B35, and the B stands for like the strap. I can't say it in French though, but it's adjustable, so I guess there's only two knots. Well, it's adjustable on both sides. Okay, so you could change the length, and you could wear it either on the side or crossbody, and then it has these handles so you could just hold the bag also. And then it has this lock, and the lock keys are in this little pouch, as well as like something that says which item this is and says that it was made in the US. So I have yet to get an item that wasn't made in America, but hopefully one day. Okay, then inside there's this ring, which I think is like a key ring, so you could attach your keys there. And then there's also, in this one, an inside pocket. And then inside the pocket, maybe you could put like your phone or wallet or something in there. And it has a zipper, so it's good for security reasons. The inside is a lovely red interior, and as you can see, it's pretty spacious. I was actually surprised how large the bag was. Well, first I was surprised at how small it was, but now I think it's large. So it's been a roller coaster. But if you don't want to have the strap, you could always, like as you saw in the beginning, I attached it, so you could just have it unattached and use the handles, which I think are super cute. And one thing I did notice is that the hardware is kind of different colors. So the lock is extremely shiny. It says just Louis Vuitton Paris on the side, but as you can see, the zipper is not as shiny, and then this hardware isn't as shiny. And then this is also more of a dull gold color, and I personally like shiny things. I like shiny items, but I guess it's not a defect, it's just how the bag is. So I'll just show the bag one more time. So it needs to fill out since it was, the bag needs to fill out since it was super compressed, as you saw in the beginning. And I guess this needs to be removed. Okay, so this is what the side looks like. I guess this reinforcement is what the one with the strap has, and the other ones don't, I think. Okay, I also got an insert, so let's see if it fits. So here's an insert I got from Amazon. I don't know if it will fit. It was only $13, I think. I could use it for my Neverfull instead, but it's just to keep the bag organized. Yes, here is the bag. I really like it. It seems to be a great bag for traveling. It could definitely fit underneath the seat ahead of you on the plane. Probably wouldn't put it in the overhead bin though, but or just nice for every day. So I'm glad I got this before the price hike, and thanks for watching my video. Bye.